Hi guys and welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to unbox this 1:18 scale diecast model of the Lamborghini Urus from Buraco. So let's unbox it. I have purchased this model from Amazon, link is in the description. So the car is really well detailed from exterior as well as from interior, but I just don't like one thing of the car, that the steerable wheels doesn't stay to a steered position. It comes back to its original position. So that's what I don't like about this car. But otherwise this car is very well detailed for the price. So now I will not speak anything. Let's just focus on the detail of the car. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, that is the like button, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye, take care.